Hello everyone. In this session of Facebook ads, I'm going to tell you that how you can automate your Facebook ads. Now, what do you mean by automation of Facebook ads? Suppose you are running an ad that has a per day clicks are there, per day impressions are coming, people are visiting your site, but you want to stop that ad once the per day amount have been reached. Means suppose your ad per day your budget is rupees 100, and if so many people are clicking on your website that your per day amount, that is rupees 100, is exceeding. So in that case, if you want to stop your ads, stop your Facebook ads, how to do it? I want to repeat once again. Suppose your per day ad price, your per day ad budget is rupees 100, and once if so many people are clicking your ads and your per day rupees 100, that amount is exceeding. So in that case, if you want to turn off your ad, or if you want to make a condition that once suppose if 100 rupees will be exceeded per day, my ad should be automatically closed. So how to do it? It is known as Facebook automated tools. Now let's see how to do it. You will go over here, this option, click on ads. Once you go on ads, looking for advanced tools, go to ads manager. You will click on this and you will be redirected to something like this. This is your Facebook ads manager. You can see your active campaigns. See, I have two campaigns over here. What I want to do, suppose this is the campaign, and on this first campaign, if my per day limit, that is rupees 100, if it will go beyond rupees 100, then the ad will be stopped. It's a very important feature for your ad, and I want to repeat it once again, that suppose your per day limit of your ad is rupees 100 that you have set. It may be rupees 50 also, that you have set. If the amount is exceeding, suppose so many people are clicking on your ads, because Facebook charge you money when your ads are being clicked. Okay, so in a case when so many people are going to click on your ads continuously, and if your budget is exceeding, so in that case your ads will be stopped. And how to do it, that you're going to learn from this video. So what you do, this is your Facebook ads manager. You have two campaigns. See, I have two campaigns over here. I will just select over here. I will be selecting. See, now this campaign is being selected. I will go for mode and I will come down. It's a automated rules. Now automated rules are there. You have to create a new rule. You can apply an existing rule if you have, and you can manage rules as well. So for the time being, I will create a new rule. See, you have to give the rule name. Suppose my rule name will be turn off ads. Turn off. It is the name of my rule. It is applied to only one campaign which I have selected right now. Or you can apply this to all the campaigns together if you select this option. So for the time being, I am going to select for only one campaign that I have selected. Then action will be what? Turn off the campaign, turn on the campaign, or send notification only. Here what I will do, once my per day limit will be exceeding, I will be turning off the campaign. Means after that Facebook will not charge from me. I want to repeat once again. If my ad, if my daily budget will be exceeding then the amount which I have set during the making of Facebook ads, so in that a case the campaign will be turned off permanently. It is the action. Okay, now it is condition. Cost per result, if your cost per result is greater than suppose rupees 100, means my per day clicks, means my daily budget, suppose was my daily budget was rupees 100 daily budget, and if it's exceeding rupees 100, in that case the campaign will be turned off. I want to repeat it once again. If my daily ad budget was rupees 100, and in that case if the amount is exceeding the particular clicks, are so much amount of clicks I have got that this 100 rupees limit of mine is exceeding, in that case the campaign will be permanently turned off. This is the action that will do. It will be for lifetime. You can select it for today, that only for today it will be off, or you can select for lifetime. Time range means that till how many days your campaign will be turned off. You can select it lifetime, you can do it only for today, or you can do it as per your need. Okay, so now it is attribution window. Let it be account default. Attribution window, it allows you to track the actions taken due to your ad running in a particular time period. So it allows you to take the action because of your ads. It allows you to take your action. So in this case, let it be account default. Don't do anything over here. Then schedule means suppose if in case Facebook will have to check that your ad, that your daily limit is being exceeded. So when Facebook will check it continuously every time. Facebook will check daily at 12 a.m. Kolkata time, or Facebook will check at a particular time period which you will be uh, giving over here. So I will select at daily 12 a.m. means at daily 12 a.m. Facebook will check that whether my limit of rupees 100 is being exceeded or not, and in case if it is exceeding, then my campaign will be turned off. So it is the thing. Now notification, once your amount is have been exceeded, Facebook will send you notification on email also, or you can Facebook also. If you don't want to receive an email, you can uncheck it. But I'm checking over here. You will receive an email once per day if any of your rules have been conditions have been violated. Okay. So I want to repeat it once again. Rule name you have to give. You can give anything. You can apply rule to only one campaign. If you want to do it in for all the campaigns, you can select from here. Then action will be turned off the campaign, means my campaign will be turned off. Condition will be that if my 100 rupees per day budget is exceeding, if impressions are so much impressions I am getting that my per day limit, per day budget that I have set rupees 100 while setting Facebook ads, if it is exceeding, in that case that campaign will be turned off. Time range for lifetime, means for lifetime my campaign will be turned off. You can select it as per your requirements. Attribution window, let it be account default. Schedule means at daily 12 a.m. Facebook will check that whether the impressions are going beyond my daily budget or not. If it is going, the rule will be applied. And what is the rule? Rule is that turn off. And you can create it. And here you're going to get a notification on email. You can select it and create. So now rule is being created. You can select manage rules to review or edit this rule. If you want to edit this rule, you can go and select for manage rule. If you go, it will be selected. You can edit it. Then for this campaign, here you're going to have this apply an existing rule. Turned off is a rule and it is apply. So what happened that here your rule is being applied. See, on this campaign a rule is being now applied that once if the number of clicks, means if your daily budget is exceeding rupees 100, the ads will be turned off by Facebook. So I hope that you have learned this very well. And the same rule, if you want to apply for this second campaign, select over here, go for more, apply an existing rule, is the turn off is the rule, same rule, and click on apply. Means save it. Means for your second campaign also now the rule has been applied that if your per day budget of rupees 100 is exceeding, the ads will be turned off. It can be turned off permanently, temporarily, for yesterday, for today, that you can select at the schedule option over there. I hope that you have liked this video. If you like this, please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for next video so that you can learn a lot about marketing and retail stuff. Thank you. Have a great day.